네, 안녕하세요. 주용정입니다. 네, 오늘은 카자흐스탄에서 마지막 날이에요. 내일 이제 키르기즈스탄의 비슈케크란 도시로 넘어갑니다. 오늘 마지막 날이니까 얼마 전에 같이 메데우랑 신블락을 갔던 엘라라는 친구랑 점심을 먹기로 했어요. 저를 위해서 가이드도 해주고 같이 추운데 고생도 많이 해줘갖고 식사를 대접하려고 하는데 카자흐스탄 전통 고급 식당 이런 데를 갈까 했는데 자기는 그냥 한국 음식 좋다. 카자흐스탄식보다는 한국 음식이 Hello.
You're from Paris?
Yeah. Hello. 이렇게 카메라 들고 있으면 다들 인사를 해요. 어디까지 얘기했지? 한국 식당을 좀 괜찮은 데를 찾아서 거기서 같이 점심 식사를 하고 떠나기 전에 이런저런 얘기도 나눠보고 하는 시간을 가지려고 합니다. 아르바트 거리 이제 안녕이네. 저기 있네. Hey. Wow. You very different. 떡볶이가 나왔습니다. Eating Korean food. Okay, try.
I know how. I know.
You know?
You first.
Ramen like that.
Okay. How?
Like that.
I don't like a cart. I'm afraid.
You afraid?
Yeah, I think it is so spicy. No?
No.
Mm.
You like?
So here have.
No pork.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't worry. This is 불고기 Korean barbecue with soy sauce.
Spicy?
No.
Not spicy. 맛있어? 맛있어. Spicy.
I don't know.
Can
Try.
you? Yeah.
To me, not spicy. Good? You like? You like? Sour? Spicy? No?
Sour and spicy.
Yeah. This traditional kimchi taste.
I have it too.
I call liar.
These are you guys.
Try this kaktugi.
No. I think it is so spicy.
No.
No spicy. Have to be. How I try?
Yeah, just get. Okay.
No.
Okay. 할 수 있어.
I'm afraid.
It's okay.
Yeah. Oh.
Good.
No.
Good.
No. 아니.
어때?
아니요.
아니야?
아니요.
But if you more 10, then just
No. I don't like kimchi.
okay.
So spicy.
옮길 필요까지 없는데.
When I go in Korea, we will go in Korean restaurant in Korea.
But more spicy.
In Korea,
Yeah.
spicy. I miss more.
아 진짜?
네. You my first friend, 한국 friend. I never forget. What about you?
Me too.
Me too. Me too.
Me too. 식사 맛있게 하세요. 안녕히 계세요. 가자. 엘라가 커피 사준다 그래갖고 기다리고 있습니다. 날씨도 되게 좋고 따뜻한 알마티의 마지막 날이네요.
Little shy. I'm saying 오빠.
아 진짜?
네.
오나고 이거 오빠?
Yeah, this is Russian.
아 진짜 오빠라고 이렇게 적어놨네요.
I think it may be 아가씨.
아가씨.
네, 아가씨인데 오빠.
아 진짜.
You look so young, or me look so.
You look so young.
What about you?
I'm very young.
아저씨.
아저씨 오케이. 인정.
It's a joke.
It's okay. I'm 아저씨. But
No, yeah.
아저씨 can love spasibo.
고마워요.
If I come back Almaty soon,
산.
go Bishkek, then go Almaty again, I will let you know.
So.
You like?
Yeah, I like. You need the next country. You
Yeah.
need the next Bishkek, Tashkent.
Yeah.
You need it.
I need, but I don't know.
In Korea, I text you. Oppa, I miss you. You go? In Kazakhstan, in Almaty. If me text you.
When I Korea.
Yeah, you come here. Maybe I'll go in.
You?
me.
Okay, you come Korea.
I don't want in Almaty. I want to walk with you in Seoul.
You come next year, April.
April?
Yeah.
When my birthday? Yeah, my birthday.
Yeah, cherry blossom. Falling cherry blossom.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Maybe if I have many.
Best boyfriend.
No, not boyfriend.
Okay. 미안. 알았어. 아 장난이야,
You
장난.
want to be my boyfriend?
Next time. Not now. My time.
Yeah.
See? Cherry blossom. And this is my voice.
Your voice?
I'm beautiful.
Yeah. Your subscribes don't know
Don't know what.
what I like you.
You like me?
Yeah. Can you hack?
In Bishkek you have a pretty friend.
I don't know. I don't have.
How about Kyrgyz girl?
I'm off. You want to Kyrgyz girl?
No.
I'm sick. You're in
But in YouTube.
I'm sick. If you meet Kyrgyz girl, I'm kill you. Okay?
Okay.
I'll kill you. If
You-
you meet Kyrgyz girl, because I'm your only me, your friend.
You come Kyrgyz for kill me?
No,
You come.
it's so hard.
You have to walk.
I have a work.
Just talking, eating. No.
No. You can have a Kyrgyz boy, Bishkek boy, your friend.
Boy?
Yeah.
I can have only boy.
Yeah. I know you're not gay. Just you can have only boyfriend.
I don't like boy.
I know you like me, but you can have a.
알았어.
People need to see how we. Oh no, Oppa, I miss you. You say too. No, I see too.
Yeah. You.
Your subscribe need to see.
Yeah.
We have a many.
Many memory. Okay. Anyway, you go now. I go Kyrgyzstan.
Have a good train. Have a good train. 잘 가요, 오빠. Have a good train.
하자 같이. Okay.
Thank you.
Where you go? Which way? 잘 가.